Hey, Steve Mueller here with Advantage Realty Professionals team in Charlotte, North Carolina. I want to talk a little bit about mortgage interest rates and why this is impactful to you when you purchase a home. So, at the end of the day, whenever you purchase a home, most people use a mortgage, and interest rates, they create a significant difference in how much you pay for the life of a loan. So I did a scenario here. So what I did was I actually have created a scenario of a loan amount, $350,000. One is at 3.5% interest, one is at 4% interest. So let's talk about it at 3.5% interest. A 0.5% doesn't sound like that much to most people, but when you're talking about a $350,000 balance you got to pay off in a 30-year note, well, that's going to make a big difference. So here we are, $350,000. Term of 30 years, 3.5%. Your monthly principal and interest is $1,572. So that is what you pay on your principal balance and your interest paid to the mortgage company. Now, the total paid over the life of that loan is $565,796. Okay, so $350,000. You are paying them in interest. The mortgage company, $215,796. Okay, that's a lot of money. That's also why some people choose to pay a little bit more towards their principal. Now, scenario two, $350,000 mortgage, 30-year fixed, 4% interest. Your payment is $1,671 per month. That is about $100 difference. The total paid for the life of the loan is $601,543. Well, excuse me, $601,543, and the total interest paid is $251,543. So the difference in that is $35,747. That's the difference that you will pay in the life of a loan if you have a 3% fixed 30-year mortgage versus, I think I might have said it wrong, 3.5% versus 4%. I don't know about you, but almost $36,000 is real money to me. It was more than I made my first year out of college, to be exact. So that is why whenever loan officers and whenever realtors say interest rates are historically low, that is why they're talking about that. Now, my parents bought their first home in the 80s. They got a 13% interest rate. So I do expect interest rates to go up some this year. I don't expect them to go up tremendously, but whenever people, start talking about interest rates are going up, my parents thought they were getting a deal at 13%. Well, we are still at historically low mortgage interest rates. And, right now, prices are still going up right now pretty much nationwide, and mortgage rates are starting to go up. So if you're in a position to, buy your first home or even move up, probably best to go ahead and start looking into buying relatively soon because, well, that's a scenario for you. I hope this information helps. Of course, if we can ever help you with real estate and you have any questions we can answer for you, we'd love to have the opportunity. And again, I'm Steve Mueller with the Advantage Realty Professionals team here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Thanks so much.